So in this Inkscape tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to wrap text around a circle here on Inkscape. So once Inkscape's opened up, I want you to go to the left-hand side and add a circle to your design here. So if I were to go ahead and add this nice orange circle right here, I will go ahead and add this orange circle. I'll delete this little orange circle, and then you have your orange circle, just like that. Once that is done, I want you to go to the left-hand side as well and add some text. So I'll just go ahead and type in circle like this. Right, I will go ahead and I will make it a little bit smaller so that it's a little easier to wrap around the circle. I will also change the color of this to green, just so the two things are separated. So once that is done, I want you to highlight both the text and the circle right here. Go to the top, press on text, then scroll down to put on path. Now, as you can tell, it is put on the path, but the direction of it isn't really what we're looking for here. So if that's sort of what you look like, go ahead and highlight the entire thing. Then I want you guys to go ahead and just kind of play around with it this way. So you can go ahead and rotate it. You can rotate it this way if you want as well. And if this looks good to you, you can go ahead and let's just go ahead, move this up a little bit higher, and there you go. You have the text around the circle. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to wrap text around a circle here on Inkscape. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.